Well, this is Lady Flora, and today I wanted to do a little review of the Mary Berry Bonsai kit, which I got as a gift. So here's the box that it comes in, and when you open it up, it comes with, they call this a pellet, which you add water to it and then it expands and it becomes like kind of like your soil. It's like your potting medium, I guess. And seeds of hope. And it comes with this little pot. And it even comes with scissors, so you can have your little Zen-like experience snipping away at the branches. And it comes with this little book. It's more of a book than a manual or anything, and it's got a lot of information about bonsai trees. And it's not until the end where it actually tells you how to plant it. So it says to soak the seeds in water for 24 hours, then place seeds in a damp paper towel and seal and store for 7 days in the refrigerator. So I'll have to do that and then get back with you. So yeah, bonsai kit. That seems sort of strange to me because I think of bonsais as taking a really long time to grow, and anyways, it'll be interesting to try, and I'll probably have some other videos for you after I give it a try. So if you like this video, I suggest that you like, comment, or subscribe. I make a video every day but Sunday, and I just talk about nature and what's going on outside. And it's about 59 degrees out today. It's cold, but it's really sunny and beautiful, and I hope you get to go outside today.